Home with Power BI. I'm Zahir Brayman for the Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to use the table from example function. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, I've shown you how to connect to the web and how to import the data from there. Now, this is similar to that. However, we can choose which one we want to bring in before we start transforming it. We can basically, technically, transform it before we bring it in, so we can get rid of or import the columns that we want. And leave out the ones that we don't. And this is a feature that came out in earlier this year, so I just want to show you how to use that. Are you ready? Come take a look. Let's go. So in this video I'm going to show you how to connect to the web and use the table by example function. Now this is fairly new. It was brought out earlier on this year, and I think it's here to help us with importing our data, making it a lot easier and making it more streamlined, if I can say that. And the reason why I'm saying that is when I show you how it works, we're able to choose what we want from that table rather than bringing all that table into Power BI and then transforming it and taking out the things that we don't want. So I'll quickly show you how it's done. So if we go to get data and we go to web, and so we basically want a URL here for us to get the data from. So I search the web for the Financial Times. So what I'm going to do is copy the data for the stock market and then bring that into Power BI. So let's go ahead and connect to it. As you all know, I do like connecting to the web as well. I do have a few videos where you're able to do that. It shows you how to do it. So what we're going to do is check on the table. So as you can see, there's tables here. It's giving you suggested tables as well. Okay, so when it comes up with this box at the bottom, it says add table using examples. So what we're going to do is click on that. So what that should do now is split it up and give us the website at the top, right? So now it's brought that website at the top. So it's basically saying, okay, so there's a few tables on here. Tell me which ones that you want, or which columns you want to bring in. So at the bottom, it's asking column 1. So what we need to do is select in there and start typing which information we want to bring in. So I've seen here, so I says, okay, you know what, this S&P and this these two columns here I want to bring in. So how do I do that? So if I just select in here and I just start typing S&P, it brings up a table of information which one I can select to bring in. So I'm just going to double click on that. Okay, now when you do this in the column from examples, when you click on the next row, it usually then automatically populates because it identifies it straight away. This one, it doesn't. What you need to do is do it a couple of times. So I'm now going into column 2 and I'm going to say, right, okay, I want the 3373 to come in. So 3373.43. Okay. So let's do that again. 3. Okay. Start right here. So it's identified it as a text. Okay. So now what I need to do is go to the second row and I need to type in the Dow. So if I just type in the Dow, this comes at the top again. So I'll just double click that. Now when I go to the next one, it automatically then brings it in. It's identified that, wait a second, you've told me you wanted this one and that, and then you've started there, and then you want in this one, it automatically populates. That is where the beauty of using the table using examples. So now that I've got this table here and I'm thinking, right, okay, that's great. That's the information I want. I don't want any other information. We could do if we select on here and get the information. So say, for example, we didn't want the today's change and we wanted something else, we can do that. So what we're going to do is just press OK just to say, right, okay, this is what we want to bring in. It then brings up a custom table at the bottom. And now because I have changed that already and I've already got the information here, I could really just literally load it into the desktop version. Now, I wouldn't usually. I'd go in and change the columns to the correct format because you could see they were in text format, so I would need to change it to numbers. But you see how easy it is now getting. It's how I'm already getting the columns that I want, column 1 and column 2, and I've obviously renamed it, start shaping it, formatting it a little bit, and then we can start doing the visualization. So that's how easy it is, and that's the great feature that Power BI have brought out and for us to use, and it's made it a lot easier for us to connect to the web and bring in the columns that we want. I hope you liked it, guys. Please comment below, like and subscribe to my channel to get all the latest information on the new videos coming out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.